Can't remember now, 3 or 4. First time started coughing, couldn't stop coughing. Second time felt like I was repeating myself because I couldn't remember what I'd said in the first one and then the second one. So anyway, starting again. This is a traveller's notebook using Charming Fragments 2 from Tsunami Rose, and I've got a few pieces of digital items from Artie Maze as well, so I will link both of them below. So it turned out chunky as normal. I think there's 92 pages front and back. The image here is from Artie Maze, and we've got some layering here of some lace trims and crochet. This was part of a big crochet doily, and then this lovely trim here. Now Tina gave me some, who is Hummingbird Tails, but then I went and bought some, so I can't remember if this is what Tina gave me or what I've purchased, but it was Tina that kind of put me onto it, made me fall in love with it. Done some stitching. The sewing machine worked today after I cleaned it. It was clogged up with, when I've been using the black cotton, don't get the same with the white cotton. Well, maybe a little bit, but not as much as the black cotton. There was tons of like, oh, it was like tumbleweed inside my sewing machine, and I had to clean it all out. It was disgusting. So we have a flip here, and it's layered up there, you can see. We have a bunch of tags and ephemera. This is some of the pages from Charming Fragments 2 that I printed out, made some tags up, and then covered the tags with the paper. So we've got some nice tags going on there. Making sure I'm in frame. There's lots of places to journal in this traveller's notebook. Got a fabric tab here, some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, not from the kit but from one of our other collections. She does loads of ephemera kits. Here we have another tag, again one of the pages, and I just made tags and sewed it on. Here we have a little journaling card inside this pocket. The image on here is from Tsunami Rose as well. It was a tag, and I just cut it down a little bit so that it would fit on there. Here we have some ephemera, and this is an envelope. It's not from the kit, but it is again one of our other collections, and it just matches really well with these designs. Here we have another tag from one of the pages and a journaling card, and this is a flip out, a Terry Woods style flip out. And that just pops in there. Got some layering again. So we have a tag and a doily and a paper bag, another fabric tab. Made some banners, just used some scrap pieces here and some bling. Haven't done that in a while, so I thought I would do that. Some more ephemera, library card, little journaling card, and this. There's some light stenciling going on, some pom-pom trim. I forgot to mention the crochet trim there. Excuse me. Little flip out. I need to take a drink. I can feel me going to start coughing again. It's because we've had the heating on, and it's kind of drying me out a little bit, my sinuses that is. Some more ephemera, got a flip here. It's got really cold over here in the UK. Can't believe how cold it's got, and it's only, I mean, it's the end of August, and we normally still have pretty good weather, but some places had ground frost the other day. I was quite shocked at that. Some more ephemera, another banner. Used just this last little piece of this trim and this bling. Paper bag pocket. Another Terry Woods a flip out. You've seen me do these before, and you've probably seen Terry do them as well, so I'm not going to pull it all out, but I am going to pull it all out. So there's loads of places to journal on this. It all flips up, and I'm getting a right mess doing this. And another tag I made from one of the pages, and a journaling card. Journal page from the kit, some more crochet trim, another pocket tee with a tag, journaling card, sorry, and another tag from one of the pages. This was from a tag. We have another envelope here with some ephemera, and that is the envelope. Where did that go? This is also listed in my shop, and the details will be below. I still have 10% off until the 31st of August. I might actually extend that. The code will be below. It's back to school, but it's spelt differently, so check out the code below. There's a few journals still on there as well at the moment. Some ephemera here, dictionary page, doily tag, another flip up here, and Tiffany & Co tag, another tag from one of the pages, and a little journaling card, and something just fell from the ceiling like a little tiny spider, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Like I said, if I didn't say already, 92 pages front and back, 10% off. Details will be below, and I will link Artie Mays and Tsunami Rose in the description box as well. I actually finished this morning, and I'm halfway through a big chunky one at the moment, another fabric covered hardback journal. I'll just show you a little peek. So that one, working on this at the moment. Everything's printed, everything's coffee dyed, just gotta sort it all out basically. So anyway, if you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.